now take you on a tour of Bharat Mandapam right here and how aesthetically it has been done. Let me show you glimpses from the beautiful culture corridor right here at Bharat Mandapam. Everything that the country is so very proud of is here, taking an absolutely gorgeous form. Very excited for the show today. I am at this absolutely amazing venue, Bharat Mandapam, and very soon we'll be joined by the Honorable Vice President of the country for one of the most awaited launches. Yes, the Sylph building is going to be launched.
Namaskar, good evening and a very warm welcome to each of you. I'm your host Isha Phalla, and as we meet at the inaugural program of the Dispute Solution Center building of the Society of Indian Law Firms, I'd like to thank you all for joining us. And now to acknowledge the presence of our dignitaries, to thank them for joining us, may I please request Dr. Lalit Bhasin, Mr. Rohit Kochar, Mr. V. Lakshmi Kumaran to join us for a floral welcome and thank Honorable Vice President Sir for being here. Which better way to thank him than beautiful flowers? Let us hear a round of applause. We are privileged to have amongst us esteemed Dr. Mrs. Sudhesh Dhankar, and to welcome her, may I please request Ms. Neena Gupta and Ms. Shweta Bharti to join us and present ma'am with a floral welcome. Thank you so very much, ma'am, for gracing the occasion.
A dream has come true. Dream was to set up a Sylph building. Not just a building consisting of the infrastructure, but something which could contribute as a way of means of giving back to society.
Thank you so very much, Dr. Lalit Bhasin, for beautifully weaving together the story, the ambition, the aspiration behind Sylph. May I now request Dr. Shardul Shroff, Senior Vice President, Sir, to please address the audience. Sir.
Almost 15 years ago, I had a vision of a virtual electronic dispute resolution process to facilitate cheaper, faster, and better international and domestic arbitration.
Thank you so very much, Dr. Shroff, for taking us back all those 15 years ago, for sharing with us the story and how, when leaders who want to create a change come together and bring up all of this. As we move forward, it is now time for us to unveil the Sylph building amongst all of you here. I'd now like to request our Honorable Vice President of India to please do the honors and unveil the Sylph building. The formal ribbon cutting ceremony to now take place. May I now request the Honorable Vice President of India to please address the august gathering. Sir.
Dispute resolution mechanism is of critical importance. I need not indicate to you. You know it more than I do. It has impact beyond economy. It has impact beyond social order. And therefore, in any society that cares for peace, harmony and growth, it is a high priority. A credible and robust dispute resolution mechanism nurtures harmony, contributes blossoming of economy.
Thank you all for joining us for the inauguration of the Sylph building.